Here are the top 10 takeaways from Salesforce Agentforce World Tour 2025. Number 7 is my favorite, so stay till the end. I'm Astrid from CloudAnalysts, and today I'm sharing key insights from our annual conference in London. This year, Agentforce became the headline act. Salesforce rebranded the whole 2-day World Tour and TDX combination as Agentforce, doubling session capacity so developers, admins, and everyday CRM users could build agents hands-on and get temporary access for free to every AI tool. Number 2, Salesforce makes an whopping 8 billion bet on clean data, plus 2 more quick win deals. Informatica, acquisition of 8 billion, combines its master data powerhouse with Einstein's reasoning engine, and then that is to feed agents bulletproof and governed data. Next is Convergence.ai. It closed last week for about 175 million to sharpen real-world spatial reasoning. Then there's also MoonHub, very small, but it's a talent lift out to accelerate AI-driven recruitment and HR workflows. Why it matters? Clean contextual data is the success factor for autonomous agent, as quoted by every single CIO on stage. Number 3, limitless seasonal scales. So Agentforce shines where demand spikes. Think tax advisors in April, garden centers in spring, luxury travel in summer. AI agents flex up and then scale back without adding fixed headcount or contractor overhead. And that is one benefit for a group of company. However, Agentforce scales and is good for all businesses if used wisely. Number 4. There are now more than 100 industry-tuned skills that come out of the box with Agentforce. So, for example, for financial services, we have complaint summaries. They auto-transcribe calls and draft the case recaps so that bankers can resolve dispute faster. Agentforce can also create any kind of record summary for you, which is a useful feature for a variety of use cases. For life sciences, we have the candidate auto-matching skill, hunting eligible trial partners very quickly. For healthcare, out-of-the-box skill is benefit verification. This pulls coverage, care plans, and prior authorization data into one pre-visit snapshot for patient coordinators and clinic managers. Very useful. So these industry-tailored pre-trained skills mean that you start with proven prompts, objects, and guardrails, and then tweak them with your favorite secret sauce. Takeaway 5. Think agents that act, not just chat. Agents can now trigger any Salesforce flow, but also MuleSoft API and external systems. So for example, you can use it to sign a DocuSign contract, raise a purchase order, or even a Stripe payment. Push it out, all without a human involved. The AgentExchange marketplace, it now rocks past 200 apps. What is the AgentExchange? Think AppExchange 2.0. Pre-built agent packs, vertical data set, reasoning templates that you can install with a click. Great! I'll be roast testing my favorite apps in an upcoming mini-series, so hit subscribe to my channel and follow along. Number 7. Goodbye to per conversation fees for simple chats and hello to credits. Flex credit, Salesforce new pricing. This is my favorite takeaway because we so need it. So now you can pay per action, per conversation, or per user. And this new flex credit model bundles 100,000 credits for about $500 via the digital wallet. You pay only for what you use and top it up anytime. Different actions consume their own credit amounts, and out-of-the-box actions are slightly cheaper than your own custom actions, so be sure to leverage those. And besides this new pay-per-action model, you can still use the conversation model and use it only for complex conversation when it makes sense to pay $2 per conversation. And third, you now have a new unlimited per user pricing model, and this kind of pricing model is suitable for internal use with AI. So not only do you get pricing flexibility, but you can also monitor your company's spend in a single dashboard, so your CFO gets the cost insight and predictable AI cost control. And that's the kind of pricing clarity and control exactly what you need to get started with AI in Salesforce, right? Okay, number 8, governance. It's baked in. Zero copy, trust layer, human in the loop. Data never leaves its source, thanks to zero copy federation. The Einstein trust layer. It filters toxicity, grounds outputs, and logs every prompt for audit. So you can force manual approval at any steps of the agent. Compliance teams at FedEx and Heathrow cited that these features are deployment green lights. Number 9, Data Cloud gets a granular mask and text control with row and column level classification. You can decide who can see private information, masked or unmasked, added to the fly, and you can provide lineage with GDPR, HIPAA, all without middleware. AgentForce services. Services are now GA and they're a game changer. A service acts as a bridge between your AI agent and whatever that agent meets the user, like Slack, SMS, web chat, or even a guided flow. And think of it this way, just like you speak differently in a Slack message versus a phone call, the agent adapts the tone and format depending on the channel. And here's what that brings. Personalized experience that feel intuitive, images, buttons, and rich messages that adapt to where the customer is. So once built, you can deploy it anywhere. Don't need to manually reconfigure clients for every new channel. It will be a huge time saver. Smart reasoning. Agents will follow service instructions and choose adaptive responses that match the channel etiquette. In short, you will build an agent once and plug it into multiple experiences, and service handles the translation layer. Dynamic, scalable, and now ready for prime time. Okay, what are the executive quick hits? Where to focus first? CEO, stress test the ROI by mapping flex credit spend, fast-track agent accuracy by pairing Informatica's master data controls with Salesforce Zero Copy Data Federation. Okay, this is where my knowledge of this stops, by the way. Product leaders and ISVs partners, audit your current AgentExchange offering. Identify which workflows should benefit from agent skills or actions, and then plan your AgentExchange add-on and certification timeline. Expect a multi-step approval. Admins and dev leads, well, now's the time to pilot pre-built industry skills. Extend them with custom flow actions and capture quick wins to build your internal business cases. So to wrap it up, are you ready to build your first agent? Yes. Like this video, subscribe to the AgentForce deep dive that will be coming up, and comment below which takeaway will move the needle for you so I can hone that further. And in the meanwhile, download yourself a free AgentForce readiness checklist that I made for you. The link is in the description below. This was AI with Astrid from CloudAnalysts. Till the next time.